now the hammer exceeded my expectations. It's very powerful.
It broke everything like butter, even with the rebar installed.
The speed, crazy, way faster.
I used it for a quiet amount of time and it still had enough power to go.
It all seemed to be as powerful as when we started.
The anti-vibration was one of the features that stood out the most.
Yes, the vibration was definitely less compared to other jackhammers that I've used. Less vibration means better for our joints.
The AWS is really important.
It's very convenient to have a vacuum just suck up all the dust particles for you.
Always got to struggle with cords, with the competitors. It sucks.
Just like any other power tools that are battery powered, they're easier to use and they're more practical.
It's just an easier way to move it from location to location without having a generator to attach it to.